Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn what to do if you recently changed or replaced your Wi-Fi router or gateway and now your Linksys extender is not working. You can also follow these steps in case you changed your current router's SSID or password. Moreover, this video guide works for all Linksys Wi-Fi extender models. So what we need to do is simply reset our Linksys extender. You can do that by putting a paper clip inside the reset hole of the extender for around 10 seconds while it is plugged into a power source. After 10 seconds, release the pin and let the extender reboot. The extender will be successfully resetted when you see Linksys extender setup SSID in your Wi-Fi list. Next, you will need to set up the extender again from the scratch. Watch video given in the description to learn how to set it up in just 2 minutes. Moreover, this time during the setup, you will need to select your new Wi-Fi SSID of the router. Lastly, if you found the video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.